Welcome back in my next tutorial. This tutorial you are going to look about how to cut the threads of 8 times 1.25 millimeters when the thread is stunted inside the cylinder head of a motorcycle as an example. So let's go into the tutorial. So we are going here to use, let's first deal with this one. So for this one we are going to cut in, this is 12, this is 8 millimeters, 1.25 of the bolt, that is of 12 millimeters. So then on the spanner, so we are going to cut using the 11, this is 10 millimeters, 125 inside here. Then we shall cut our iridium coil using this and also this die here. Then after there we shall tie it inside. After tying it inside, then we cut the threads of these ones inside here. So let's go into the tutorial and I show you how I'm going to make it. So let's first cut the threads of our iridium coil. So this is the top. Sorry. Okay. It may break, so let's put on the top. Let's remove this excessive part here. So now we have finished to make our iridium coil. So also we are going to cut inside here the threads of 10 millimeters, 125. Also this is 10, 125. So we have to remove this. Then let me first remove it. So we have finished to remove this one. So let's put it aside and tie. So we are going to do it with this one. So let's first tie it here. You have to make sure that we are in a straight line. So we are going to deal with this one, this hole. Then so we are going to first remove the standard threads. So to remove the standard threads, we are going to drill in with 8 millimeters, 8 millimeters, 0.5 millimeter drilling bit. So let's check why we don't have power. So we drill in with 8 millimeters. The reason is just to remove the standard threads. So let me show you. So like this, if you see, now it's just a hole to just pass through. So let me try it. So now we are going to use our ties, the taps here. I told you are going to use 10 millimeters. So these are the taps here. This is the tap we are going to use. Put it in there. Then also this is the handle. Okay. So let's cut the threads. So like that, then you have finger the threads. There. So we have to bring this. there we bring our helium coil. You're going to tie it inside here, the helium coil. So we're going to tie here. So with the help of a spagula, this just tightens our helium coil inside. So like this. So you have to tighten it very well. So like that. Then we are going to remove this, the remaining piece. So you can either use the axle blade or an angle grinder. Be careful not to cut the surface. So, like this. So let me show you. So we are going to move this part. Using okay, let's use a 10 millimeters. Also, let's use 10 millimeters. Just this one, I'm going to put a 6. After putting on a seed, then we are going to drill in with 6.5 millimeters or 6.75 millimeters drilling bit like this. That is it. So as you are seeing, now the threads, they are not threads, but it's just a hole. So it's just a hole as you are seeing. So we have to put in the threads. So after that, we're going to put in our taps. The bolt is of 12 millimeters on the spanner. So that we are going, that's a bolt of 12, that is 8.25 pitch. So we are going to cut here, because if you try to check, that is very well. So these are the size, this is the same size we are going to put this side. So this one does not enter in, but also this side. Then let's cut it. So we are going to use 2 handles. This one, this is the cross, and also the T, and also this T handle. So this is the first one. So if you try to check here, so we are done with the surface. If you try to check here inside here, now the threads are good, and we have put in new threads here. So let's try to remove the remaining dust and we test. So let's test and I show you that it works very well. So now this is the bolt. I've brought the bolt. This is a span of 12 millimeters. Also the bolt of span of 13 millimeters can tie inside here. So let's try it test. See? Okay, let me remove this washer. Okay. So now it does very well, as you're seeing. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. So I'm going to show you a video how to cut these 10mm 6mm holes of a 10mm bolt on a spanner bolt number 13. So you have seen. So now it's fine and it's working very well. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. So as we said, so welcome back in my next tutorial. Today we are going to look at how to cut these stunted threads here. So this is an example of exopipe, the threads of an exhaust of a motorcycle. Also we are going to cut these threads here. This is the side cap or the cap of the oil, which where it covers the oil to seal the oil, where inside here it contains oil. So these threads, they are also stunted here, these ones and this one plus that one. Also if you try to check here, so we are going to shoot like 3 videos. So also these ones they are stunted, these ones they are not inside